Don't panic. It always recovers. The Western financial advice has one narrative about market crashes. However, for some of us, we grew up with a different data set. You grew up in China, India, or other developing countries. Most of these financial systems were set up in the 80s last century. There were stock crashes that happened in the 90s, and that happened to India, happened to China. The differences between these and the US market crash is those they never recovered. That narrative changed how we see money, and we inherited that money inherited from our parents without realizing it. And it's important to recognize that, because when someone tells you the market always recovers, you grew up with a different data set. So you are not being naive, but you are just accurate with the different data set that you had from the others. And on top of that, there's an image issue. We grew up watching the Wolf of Wall Street, looking at the big shots, making these phone call, making stock purchases. So, and on top of it, there was the money. And on top of it, there is the image issue. We grew up watching the Wolf of Wall Street. So naturally, it feels like those big shots, they just don't look like us. We didn't grow up with that visibility of an investor or someone who's good at investing looking like us. So naturally, it feels like this investing doesn't feel intuitive to us. So how do we break that image? The first step is not to invest, but to recognize the voice, the money narrative that you run in your head, and correct them if you can't with actual data and fact. I've written a set of prompts. DM me and I will send you the link.